Good morning. Doing Derelicts live. That person is not with us. All right. What's everybody doing this morning? We're just having a nice morning so far. A little overcast and cold this morning. Hope everyone's having a nice weekend so far. It is a little overcast and ugly. Steve Jones, good morning. Thank you for watching. A couple open spots still. It is still a little bit early. Lots of really nice cars pulled in this morning already though. Let us know where you're watching from in the comments. There she is.
Like a little Nova Club over there.
I know, huh? There's a few. There's like the Chevelles over there and the Novas. You have to stay segregated over there. I don't think I've ever seen this.
Well, you know, it probably wouldn't have taken much to beat it up after
I don't think I've ever seen you pull the hood open like that.
No, I don't. It's all dirty.
Corvette Nomad from Sweden. Good morning. From Sweden. Overcast and ugly. Lots of nice cars though, so who cares? Emily from Texas. Good morning. Chevelle pulling in. First gen vet. Second gen vet, excuse me. Third gen vet. What's up, man? Beautiful Grand National. That's Mo. He had that black and white Nova last weekend. So we want to make sure we check that out. Paul. Morning, Paul. Sunny day. Yeah, I try to do that a little more often. The Grand National, man, Jesus. From Boise, Idaho. Is everything you have just like perfectly beautiful? What's up, man? Nice to see you again, man.
Absolutely.
Damn, this is a beautiful Grand National. Is it 86 or 87? Damn. Man, this thing's crazy. So what's up with the transmission setup on this thing?
It's out of a Oldsmobile.
Oh, okay.
Out of a old 442. Those are called lightning rods.
Yeah.
And I integrated it into my Grand National.
Huh. Those seats are sick too. Damn. Did you keep the standard turbocharged V6 in it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More than that, yes.
I saw recently there's this guy that's putting a Hellcat motor in one of these things.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. That's kind of interesting. Okay, blacked out the alternator. That's really nice. Yeah. Damn.
600 horsepower.
Super nice international. Damn. Thanks for bringing it, man. That's beautiful. Got all the pillar gauges. Good looking steering wheel. That's nice. I know, me too. Did you see that thing that we posted? It's like a black and white, really nice Nova.
Yeah,
that's his too. Yeah. So apparently everything that Mo has is beautiful and nice. So
great taste. Great taste.
What's up with your car? Tell us about your car.
I gotta say, it took 3 years to build. I bought it from Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
It was green, all black interior. I just I had a picture in my head of how I wanted to look. I actually bought the model first so I could see what it looked like first. And then,
what do you mean you bought the model first?
The model in the back.
So you had bought that and you tried to make the car into that?
Yes.
Really? Yeah. That's funny. I don't think I've ever seen a first-gen Camaro with wire wheels on it.
I only seen one, but it had like size 14.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Because the back, what is the back at 22?
20s.
20s?
Yeah.
And then the fronts are like 18s or something?
Yes, sir. So the reason why I put one room because a lot of Camaro enthusiasts why you put wire wheels in a muscle car? I said,
right.
Well, I ruined it on purpose.
You ruined it on purpose. Well, if they're not paying for the car and the build and the payments, then you can do whatever you want, right?
Exactly. It's my money. It's okay.
Yeah. And then what LS do you run in it?
It's a 5.3 Vortex.
Oh, okay. Eric, what's up, man? Nice to see you.
Yeah, man, just wanted to get see what everybody thinks about a muscle car with lowrider wheels.
Yeah, it's funny because you could there's a lot of people that are purists that might not like it or whatever, but I think it looks pretty cool. It's different.
Right, that's the reason why I did. I just wanted to be different.
Yeah, it's cool.
Thank you, man.
And it's yours. I mean, you won't see. I've personally never seen a first-gen one with it on there.
One. Usually see them in the 80s.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And like you said, they'd be like 13s or 14s or something, right? It looks cool.
See the post,
yeah, you got it. Yeah, very cool. Will you open up the side so I can just look inside? Did you have to tub it in the back?
Yes.
Yeah. And it's bagged, right? Yeah. Very nice.
I put tilt steering also.
And there's the model that you originally modeled it after, huh?
Yeah, you got the shoes.
Yeah. And I don't just so everybody can see, his sweatshirt is red too, and his backpack's red, and his shoes are red.
Yeah.
So I have a feeling you have an affinity for red for some reason.
My favorite color is black.
Jesus. But there's still space in the back with the tub, though, huh?
Yeah. It looked like a baby seat back there.
Yeah. Very cool. Much slower though without putting my feet down. Very cool. Well, thanks for bringing it, man.
Thank you.
This way I used to love to drive with all the windows down.
And that used to be your car?
Yeah. No, usually.
picture down here. Sorry about that.
Oh, okay. Oh, somebody put
People still rolling in. This thing's just ridiculous. Mo brought that black and white Nova from last weekend. You guys probably saw that too. That thing was ridiculous. What is this guy doing? Super clean seats. Check this thing out again. Damn. Baker Dar from Bakersfield watching. Thanks for watching. All right, let's keep cruising, huh? Cool truck. Man, that Grand National and that first gen Camaro. Very cool. Got Charlie's 57 over here. Got Bob's Hot Rod over here. Got a little dune buggy. Rusty, good morning, Rusty. Brian, too far from Raleigh, North Carolina. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be here in time. I don't think you're gonna be here in time. Cool patina on this truck. I like that. It's nice. That's really cool. Good looking truck.
So is it a suggestion or symbol?
So what's going? Oh man, he's rolling around. Hot Rod Lose. Hot Rod. Oops, sorry about that. Get out of your way. Apologize. This thing is beautiful. And if I'm not mistaken, his Instagram is Hot Rod Lou. I feel like I've seen this car a few times. Get a couple pictures of it if I can. And not get hit by a car here. From Norway. Morning from Norway. And you got the black hot rod there. You got the white one right behind it. And that panel down there has a Coyote 5-liter in it too. We'll go check that out in a second. Let's go check that out. I didn't expect to see a 5-liter in there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a very unassuming panel with a 5-liter in it.
Yeah.
Is this yours?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, that's surprising when I saw it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Another Grand National rolling in. Morning. Got Dick's Grand National. Boo.
Hey, what's going on?
What's up, man? How you doing?
How you doing?
Nice to see you.
All right.
You got to go check out Mo's 87 over there too.
Yeah, I saw it right
I think it's
now,
pretty
man.
sick.
Nice. Right back.
Color on this thing. Cool. Morning.
Morning, how are you?
This thing's awesome. Even took the pinstriping into the wheels. That's really cool. Bob. Good morning, Bob. I could see you driving this, Eric.
Yeah. As long as I got all that room in the back.
Yeah. Look if we want to check it out. Super clean first gen Mustang. Good C10 rolling in. Don, good morning. Morning. Beautiful Chevelle. This thing's cool. It's got a guitar pedal for a gas pedal too. Got like music notes in there. I don't know the story with this car. We'll have to try to find the owner and find out, but obviously he's in the music industry of some sort. Liberty, New York. Skip. Good morning, Skip. Watching from Anaheim. If you're watching from Anaheim, you should come on down. Not that far from you guys. Still for sale. If you're gonna do that, don't do it here.
Oh, dude. It's not fun, I'll tell you that. I've only done that twice.
Good looking CUDA. What's up?
Hey, good morning,
I saw you pull in.
How are you?
That thing's loud as fuck. Where'd you park?
I'm up across from the Gold Hellcat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I saw you pull in. I'm like, damn, that thing's loud.
Yeah,
What do
you haven't seen that thing before?
No, What do you have in that thing?
472 Hemi. It's been reworked a little bit.
Yeah.
Cross ram and all that. the cheater carbs, the
No,
big
it's
ones,
stock.
and all
It's
that.
stock.
I don't. Something tells me it's
Open
not.
exhaust.
It doesn't sound stock.
No.
Good car to take to go.
That is drag ready.
Yeah, it is ready for the truck, no doubt.
Yeah, I gotta go. What year is it? 64?
65 Corvette 440.
Okay,
But you know, on the Mopars, the 440 just the trim line, not the motor.
right.
Everybody sees that and always thinks it's a 440.
Yeah, yeah. I'll have to go up and check it out. Cool. Thank you. Thanks for bringing it. Morning. Cool F100. Go check out this Mopar over here. You're all by your lonesome self over here.
Yeah, it's okay being that Mopar guy all by yourself.
There's a
Normally
few.
there's a shitload of them.
I know. Normally there's a whole bunch of you guys.
Yeah.
Nah, normally there's a few.
Yeah, there's a few sparkled in there. They
Yeah.
didn't all park over here, but that's okay. I dig it. I'll sit here and be proud.
Yeah, there you go. What
I
you?
got some friends from Sweden showing up today.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Stefan should be here sometime today. So
Cool. What year is this guy?
this is a '62 Plymouth Fury with a 413 max wedge.
That max wedge intake manifold always tricks me out when I see it.
Oh yeah.
It's just like, just the linkage in the middle and all the.
Hell, if I knew you were coming, I would have brought the twin.
I know. Good to see you, Gary. Good to see you. Yeah.
How you been? Good?
Oh, very well, yeah. I'm ready to go to Oregon here. I leave tomorrow. Gonna be up there for a week. Work on my 65 station wagon. I want to get that thing down here. So I can sell it.
This thing sure is pretty. Beautiful car.
I remember going there when I was a kid. The 74 Ford LTD station wagon. Right? And there's 4 kids, mom and dad. Probably
Have a good weekend. See ya.
Yeah, thank you. They're probably a friend.
All right, so let's go down the middle aisle over here. See what we got. Light turnout. Yeah, there is a few empty spaces. I think there's the threat of rain this morning, so everybody kind of freaked out a little bit. Interesting. This thing's kind of interesting.
Big Chevy. He
Just built it in his garage.
Did he really?
The guys have funny feeling.
got airbags in the back.
Huh. What's the actual body of it?
It has a GMC thing on the hood.
Like what actually did it start out as?
Pulled next to this guy here.
Oh, what did this thing start out as?
It's a 41 GMC.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And you just turned it into a trophy truck or what?
Yeah, I messaged you this morning and told you I was coming.
Oh, funny.
On IG, and it's like, yeah, man, we're coming. I'm bringing my buddy with this gnarly trophy truck. It looks like one.
That's what it looks like.
Thing really.
This thing's awesome.
Oh, cool. Yeah, so check
Automatic shifts like solid.
yes, here we go. Feel free to open the doors, do everything. He got a video or he did a. That's cool.
Yeah, this thing's really cool. Hey, did is your giveaway thing did that all go?
No, that's Danny.
Oh, is that
That's
him?
Swan. He's the guy with the 69. Like the black
Oh,
one.
okay. I thought you
Yeah.
were helping him do that or
No,
something.
not me.
Oh, okay.
I don't mess with those LS motors, you know? I gotta keep it old.
They're below you.
Yeah.
This thing's really cool.
Very nice.
He said we could open the door, so I'm gonna take him up on that. Just got like a little display on there. Just like a little chassis. This thing's not messing around.
Yeah, this thing fits in here really well. They did a good job.
I bet you just beat the shit out of this thing.
No, I think it's a good power. I mean, it looks like it. Whoever did a good job.
Yeah, it does. Like all the welds on the A-arms and stuff all look really nice. Limiter straps. This thing's not messing around. That is for sure. We got K-Val over here. That thing's cool too.
Yeah, I love those.
Did you see Mo again brought that Grand National? Yeah, he brought that.
We were trying to get him out of Hoonigan that day.
That really sick Grand Nationals over there, black one.
Oh, that's his?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So they finally took the Grand National out of my house.
Oh, did they? Killer Mike came and got it?
Literally, no. I still haven't actually met that guy. we message all the time, and he's super duper nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I see you guys like going back and forth. I'm like, that's funny. It's out of your garage finally. That means you need to buy another car now.
I bought a go-kart. I bought a second go-kart.
Oh, did you? For your kids?
Yeah, my wife doesn't know yet.
Shh. I won't tell her, I promise.
Super
You have to use it all of that.
I highly doubt that. I highly doubt that.
You gotta
Gunner from Portland, Oregon. Morning.
See when we go shoot, right?
K-Bill's
Yeah.
Pro Charge Chevelle.
Yeah. You can say, I'm on a-
Anthony's
my
Nova.
breath. Give me some more.
Rocking the car seats for his kids in the back, of course.
And if I can get second gear out of it, I'm even happier. You know?
Share it up and like it up if you guys can. Let me know if there's something I passed you guys want to take a better look at. This Pro Charge thing. It's pretty sick. Let's get a picture from across with his buddy's car and his. That's a lineup right there. Sun's coming up in the background there. South Bend, Indiana, nice.
So the 650 would have been the black vinyl with black and gray pattern cloth. So your interior.
Oh, I see him posting up stuff on Instagram. This is your 57, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I always see your stuff posted. I'm Steven. Jim, I run the Donuts Instagram junk. I always see your picture of your car.
yeah.
Full slot on there.
Yeah. I really like how you did like the wheels the same colors as the car, and they're like a bigger steel wheel.
They're big,
Yeah.
Kings on it.
Yeah, on the interior.
Yeah, thanks.
Just like perfect 57. It's a beautiful
thank you,
car.
appreciate it.
All right, so let's walk up to the front because we want to see the DWS car. '65 F100. That's nice.
I'm going weird.
Really nice. Got Vic's Grand National over here. How insane do you have to be to ride this thing around?
Oh, you should ask our buddy. He'll be back in a minute. He's a little bit different.
Whenever I see this thing, I'm like,
Only a master machinist would dare. Okay.
At least you got some good sized tires on the back.
Master-
So you got rid of them skinny little dudes.
yeah.
Tires in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it here a few times. Whenever I walk by it, I'm like,
Dude, honestly, I'd love to have it.
yeah.
I'd do something with that.
It'd be a trick. Yeah.
So what would it even be titled as, a motorcycle? And you just put
Yeah.
like, I mean, is that what it's titled as?
It's a motorcycle,
Yeah.
You got a 260 Ford V8 in it.
I mean, the power to weight ratio must be fairly high, huh?
So there is no frame really, dude.
Yeah.
It bolts up to the back of the head right here.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's it.
I mean, you got a rear end, a radiator. You got a little gas tank action here.
Yeah. And if you look at the radiator, how it's plumbed, it's all aluminum on that side, all the way to the back.
Yeah, and the radiator. Where does the
See that?
radiator even run? Oh, it runs down there. Oh, okay. The radiator runs down there, up and hugs the bottom of the block.
Where you can make your own deal.
Oh, interesting.
Transmission. Yeah, no, fettered.
And like you said, the frame's just straight bolted to the back of the head.
I'd love to have some NAS.
What could go wrong?
I don't know. They're not that good. Good, you know. Watched it a couple times.
And the shifter.
Brings a lot of attention, though, doesn't it?
built two power glides.
Instead.
They stayed a power glide.
That's awesome. All right, he was saying that he parked his car up here. I wanted to go check that out. I think he said he parked it across from the Hellcat, I believe. There you go. There it is. Morning. So DWS has reworked this thing.
He even said he'll have like 12 hours in his car ride. We're billing you for it.
There's DWS that built this car or put this car together. Yeah.
But you know Chase is no electrical.
This thing sounded real mean when it pulled in. Mike Cooper, good morning. Still a few people pulling in here.
An electric wall does not go together. Yeah. I'll tell you that right now. I'm still kind of wondering.
Still some people rolling in. I think a lot of people put their hand out and they said, hey, it's not raining. Maybe I'll go check out Donut Derelicts. What's up, man? Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
I gotta go say hi to this guy. Okay.
Share and like if you like it up if you get a chance. Let's see if we can get 100 people at once watching the video. 76 right now. Share and like it if you can. Let's see how many people we could get watching the video live. Got 78 right now, 73. Let's see how many we can do. Like and share if you can. We're looking 55. Got Eric's truck over here. Eric's panel. Rick, your Capri. He's coming right in here. Ed from Washington. Good morning, Ed. Horse rolling in. Share and like if you can. Let's see how many people we can get watching it live. Watch party started. Steve Jones. There you go. Let's see if we can get 100 people concurrently watching. Let's see if we can do it. I think we can. We did not work our way down the Corvette alley all the way yet. But let's do it. Tor from Sweden. Good morning.
I don't think it'd be staying. I would evacuate real fast.
If you look at Chevelle, I don't think we walked down the Corvette aisle yet, so let's do that. Rita, thanks very much for watching. Appreciate it. Nice vet. Victoria, BC, Rag. Good morning. Thank you very much for watching.
You're not parking in front of our house. What will the neighbors think? Don't worry, it's full to the garage. 55. I mean, yeah. I mean, no, it didn't pop out. It wasn't popping out in gear at all. Hard to get it in gear sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a whole
Nice 57.
Right.
The radius is more. Yeah.
White Hellcat rolling in. Virus from Corona watching. Gary. Well, see, this is a good way to not get any viruses. You just watch it live on Facebook. Problem solved. Good 57 over here. A little walk around of it. If you are interested, it is for sale. No post car. Looks like it's a manual. Kevin, good morning. Get back here, get a little view of it. Looks like it's got disc brakes. Got cross drilled in the front with some torque thrust wheels. Does it have discs in the back? Looks like it's got drums in the back. Looks like it's got all the chrome as far as I can see. Good looking 57. Get over here and I'll give you the little view inside if you are interested. Car owner virus. Yeah, I think not unfortunately, but fortunately a lot of people that come here have that same exact thing. The car owner's virus. Yep, a lot of people have that. Good looking Buick. Oh, we're up to 90, 93. Morning from Lakewood. Morning. Sean from Lakewood. Morning, Sean. All right. Share and like it up if you can. Also, in the comments, I put a little link for our YouTube page. Starting to actually take some of these videos and throw some content on there, just because I know not everybody has Facebook and not everybody likes to go on Facebook. So almost just about everybody in the world has a YouTube account and or goes on YouTube to watch stuff. So trying to put some more of our content on there. If you guys can go over there and subscribe and like to our channel, that'd be cool. '62 Buick. Yep. He's like, why is this guy waving at me? I do not want this guy to wave at me. Why is he waving at me?
Yeah, I have a card right there if you want to.
Yeah, I did tomorrow.
All right, I'll find out.
Very nice Nova wagon.
It's fine, but you're going to be like every other car out there.
Very nice Nova wagon.
I have an internal regulator.
The green interior is really cool.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, all it is it's just a regular Nova tank. All you do is just flip it around for the 9-seater. And is your because of the 40. Yeah.
Got the rear facing seat. That's cool.
So yeah. I got you. We'll steal next time.
Chris, good morning. Looking Nova leaving. There you go. This thing looks like it's cruising down here. Let's go check this guy out. Charlie! Good morning, Charlie. It's a 53, 54 gasser setup. Hi, Melanie.
Hi, Melanie.
You didn't do it. Come on.
Oh man, I told her already.
All right.
Take care, man.
This car.
Don't do it here. We don't want to get it shut down.
Yeah. Well, I usually I usually hide.
I have to ask why there's an RT10 Viper
Bring
here.
it to the upholstery guy. I got lucky.
Yeah. This is like the car that when you were younger you had on your wall as a poster, right?
And I had a little. I have a whole collection of cars, like the little models.
Yeah.
I've owned every single one in real form to this point, except for one of these. Well, that's off the list. And
Yep.
the last two are a '69 GTX convertible and a Lamborghini Gallardo.
There you go.
Gallardo.
I remember the last was a hot rod.
So are you driving this now, or are you just trying to sell it?
I'm just selling it.
Yeah.
A buddy of mine wanted it in Australia, and this coronavirus has him freaked out. The economy's getting dumb, and so he had given me a deposit for it. I told him I'll give it back when I sell it.
Yeah. What are you trying to sell it for?
I'm asking 29 grand.
Yeah.
Pretty flexible on that.
The details on it if you're interested.
I guess everybody's definition is different, but it
Yeah.
needs a clutch. You know, the clutch is about $200 and labor is about $500.
Oh yeah.
I think they're cool.
It sounds.
No, they're. I think they. Oh, look at sitting still. How cool this car looks.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Gorgeous car.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I just don't fit.
Yep.
I was about 5'5", 110 pounds.
Nice convertible. Nice. That wing, I know. Is this yours? Oh, okay. I feel like I've seen this a few times. I just don't know the story behind the music part of it. More people coming in now. This might be one of the longer lives we've done. Work our way back up here. This is the Nova / Chevelle parking over here.
Hey, what's up, Steve?
What's up, man? What's up, Rod? How you doing?
Good.
Morning. What's up? How you doing? Nice to see you. Boom. I work with your dad. Little Fiero over here. Let's see what ways he's going. He's going that way. Have a good weekend. See ya. Nice to see ya. Beautiful 57. Sure. Yes, we have a whole aisle of Corvettes. They're over here. Let's go down and check them out. I'll work my way back up to the front again. Z28. First gen. S57. Hello from Sweden. Good morning. Yes, the Corvette alley, as we call it here, starts about here, works all the way down. So whatever your flavor is, we got it. So what gen Corvette is your favorite? Because we got just about all of them. Just about all of them. $427. Beautiful car.
I walked by there that morning. Couldn't tell what it was. Right?
Nope. Didn't really get a chance to check out this Gaster style 53, 54. Somewhere in there. right, with that, we'll probably end it up here. And I really appreciate everybody watching. Gonna walk around and take some pics and some vids now. And if you guys get a chance, got the link in the for our YouTube channel in there. If you could go over and like that and follow us there, that'd be awesome. And I just appreciate everybody watching. We just got up to 100 concurrent lives. That's awesome. Oh, almost. It's right there. It's a couple more. Well, you guys can go over and check out our YouTube channel, Derelicts.com, for shirts, t-shirts, and all that good junk. And thank you so much for watching.